For people who struggle to build muscles, it is essential to maintain a balanced diet with foods that help your muscle grow. As much as proteins are the building blocks for leaner and stronger muscles, you also need to consume carbohydrates and vitamins to make your efforts well-rounded. Consuming proteins will have your body subject to many physiological decisions. For example, your body can decide to convert the food into fat and energy. Your body can also choose to burn up all the calories. To build lean muscles, you need to exercise frequently and consume high-calorie foods so that the body can break down the food to muscles. Exercise and high-protein foods are the keys to your muscle growth. In this video, we will discuss the 3 foods you can consume to grow your muscles. Before we move forward, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Whole eggs. Recent studies have discovered that eating whole eggs and yolk has a 60% rate of your growing muscles. Most people who plan to grow their muscles are advised to eat an egg before doing your exercise, because eggs perform better when you are active. Eggs are packed with amino acids, and some people have called eggs the mother of proteins. You cannot have eggs every day because of the high protein, but a little goes a long way. Protein is good for the body, but it can increase your heart rate, which is not a good thing for your health. Eggs are versatile because they can be prepared in many ways. They can be boiled, fried, poached, or just eaten raw. So you can never get bored with eggs. Lean beef. What is protein without having meat? Lean meat is beef that has little to no fat content. Many people find it hard to get meat with low fat, but to get the best products, you need to search widely, because 90 grams of lean beef will give you close to 30 grams of protein, which is just insane and completely worth the search. Meat is a complete protein. What that means is that it has all the 9 amino acids necessary for muscle growth. After an intense workout, some of the muscles will get a bit worn out. That is where the 9 amino acids and vitamins are used to repair these muscles and grow new ones. You can never go wrong with beef. It can be boiled, fried, grilled, and many other ways to consume. The best combination is taking your meat with steamed vegetables and a glass of water. Red meat has been subject to debate over the health benefits. Too much red meat is not suitable for good health. That is why small portions of beef are taken. That is why a small ounce of meat is packed with high protein portions, so you do not have to eat much red meat. Salmon. One thing that is guaranteed with most types of fish is omega-3 and other fatty acids. White meat, especially fish, is healthier than red meat. It has many nutrients and, of course, the protein. And 85 grams of salmon is equivalent to 18 grams of proteins, which is a decent amount of protein. The protein present in salmon helps repair damaged muscles, and build, or grow those already in existence. Omega acids are essential in the body because they are packed with minerals and vitamins necessary to the body. What makes salmon better than meat is that it does not have fat. So it is straightforward to get a lean cut of fish than it is for beef. The omega acids are the primary source of proteins. Omega acids provide proteins, but they also improve brain power, which is essential for concentration. Lots of other foods are rich in protein, but we choose to highlight these 3, because they are a mix of different types of protein. There is the classic debate around red and white meat, which one is better for your health, and which one has the most proteins. Animal protein, compared to plant protein, has more vitamins and more important protein than its plant counterparts. It is essential to have a meal timetable, and document the calories of all the meals consumed and the quantity, and break down the proteins, carbohydrates and vitamins. Having a meal timetable helps keep track of consumption. You also get to find out which foods are working, and which do not, so you can change the portions consumed or the entire food itself.